How to log into Citi Bank. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about logging into your Citi Bank account. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your favorite web browser. Then after go to the URL section and then type in citi.com. Once you do that, you will be taken to the official page of Citibank, from where you need to just simply locate the login portal in the right hand side of the screen, that is indicating user ID and password. Now enter the correct form of your user ID in this field over here, and then enter the correct form of your password in the second field. If you'd like this Google Chrome web browser to remember your credentials for future login, simply check this box of Remember User ID, and please do not check this box if you're using a public or shared computer. Now, in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can just simply go ahead and click on this user ID or password option. Then you will be taken to a whole new interface. And here in this page, select your bank and or credit card customers option and then type in your ATM debit or credit card number and then click on continue, that is highlighted in blue color, and follow the on-screen instructions. And after you have entered the correct form of your user ID and password in the first and the second field in this portal over here, simply tap on sign on option that is highlighted in blue color and you will be successfully logged into your Citi Bank account. Beside this, you can also log into your Citi mobile bank app. If you want to use the app on the iPhone, simply go ahead and open your app store and then simply download the Citi mobile application. Likewise, if you're using the Android version, simply go ahead and open your Google Play Store and search for Citi mobile application, and you will be able to download it on your device. And once you do that, simply type in your credentials and then log into your account. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can log into your Citi Bank account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.